Hello, science fans! Welcome to another episode where we break down the mysteries of technology and make them easy to understand. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of smart contracts, a concept that's changing how we think about trust, agreements, and even money itself. To get started, let's use a simple analogy. Imagine a vending machine. You put in a coin, turn the knob, and out pops a gumball. There's no need for a shopkeeper or cashier. The machine follows a set of rules and delivers exactly what you expect. Now picture that vending machine, but instead of dispensing candy, it's handling digital agreements. That's what a smart contract does, but in the digital world. A smart contract is a special kind of computer program that lives on a blockchain, a secure, shared digital ledger that everyone can see but no one can secretly change. Instead of just gumballs, smart contracts can handle all sorts of things. For example, they can automatically pay musicians when their songs are streamed online, ensuring artists get paid fairly and instantly. Or, they can transfer digital car titles from one person to another, making buying and selling vehicles as easy as sending an email. No paperwork, no waiting in line. The rules of these contracts are written in computer code. Once set up, the contract runs itself, automatically checking if all the conditions are met, and then carrying out the agreement. No middlemen, no piles of paperwork, and no delays. If the requirements are satisfied, the smart contract instantly completes the deal, whether it's sending money, transferring ownership, or granting access to a service. This means you don't need to rely on banks to process payments or hold your money while a deal goes through. You also don't need lawyers to draft or enforce the agreement, which makes transactions not only faster, but also much cheaper for everyone involved. Because everything happens on a blockchain, every step is recorded permanently and can be checked by anyone. This makes it nearly impossible to cheat or change the record after the fact. With smart contracts, trust shifts from people and institutions to computer code. Agreements are enforced by logic and mathematics, not by someone's reputation or promises. In short, a smart contract is a self-executing digital agreement that makes sure everyone gets what they agreed to, automatically and transparently. This technology is opening up new possibilities for fair, transparent, and efficient applications in everything from finance to art, supply chains, and even voting systems. And that's why the Pi Network community is so excited about Soroban, a platform that brings these digital agreements to life and empowers people everywhere to build a more open, trustworthy digital world. Now, let's talk about Pi Network, a digital currency you can earn with just your smartphone. Imagine being able to participate in the world of cryptocurrency without expensive hardware, technical know-how, or even a big investment. Pi Network puts the power of digital money right in your pocket, making it possible for anyone, anywhere, to join the crypto revolution with just a few taps a day. The idea is simple but powerful. Make cryptocurrency accessible to everyone, not just techies or early adopters. Whether you're a student, a parent, or a professional, Pi Network welcomes you. It's designed so that people from all walks of life, regardless of their background or experience, can participate and benefit from the growth of a new digital economy. Millions have already joined as pioneers, forming a global community. Every day, they tap the app to earn Pi coins, helping to secure and strengthen the network. This daily engagement isn't just about mining coins, it's about building trust, verifying transactions, and creating a sense of shared purpose among users worldwide. For years, Pi operated in what's called an enclosed mainnet, essentially a walled garden where developers and users could test features, build apps, and experiment safely. This phase was crucial for ironing out technical challenges and ensuring the network could handle real-world demands, but it also meant Pi was isolated from the broader crypto ecosystem. The goal? To build a strong, resilient community and a thriving ecosystem before opening the doors to the world. By focusing on collaboration, education, and innovation, Pi Network has laid the groundwork for a sustainable digital economy that's ready to scale. The real milestone everyone's waiting for is the open mainnet. This is when Pi transitions from a closed environment to a fully public blockchain, accessible to anyone who wants to connect, build, or trade. At that point, the possibilities expand dramatically. Developers, businesses, and everyday users will be able to connect, build, and trade Pi coins freely, unlocking new opportunities for innovation and global commerce. But before this can happen, Pi needs a secure and reliable way to run smart contracts, self-executing programs that power everything from decentralized finance to digital games. Security and scalability are key, as these contracts will form the backbone of the Pi ecosystem. Enter Soroban, the innovative engine designed to power the next generation of Pi apps. Soroban brings advanced smart contract capabilities, enabling developers to create powerful, flexible applications that can serve millions of users. With Soroban, developers will be able to build everything from decentralized finance platforms to mobile games, all seamlessly integrated and powered by Pi. This opens the door to a vibrant ecosystem of apps and services, limited only by imagination. Integrating Soroban is the final technical hurdle before Pi's grand opening. The team is working tirelessly to ensure everything is secure, scalable, and ready for the world stage. The wait is almost over. Soon, Pi Network will step out of its walled garden and into the global spotlight, inviting everyone to be part of this digital revolution. The Pi community got a huge surprise that sent shockwaves through the entire ecosystem. A leaked technical document surfaced online, revealing the inner workings of Soroban's architecture, something no one outside the core team had seen before. The code, written in Rust, was a clear indicator that smart contracts were not just a distant promise, but nearly ready for deployment. For developers, seeing actual code meant the project was far beyond the planning stage. The leak included module names, like activation, value, and stability, and security, each one hinting at a robust, well-thought-out system. These modules suggested the team was focused on making Soroban reliable, scalable, and secure for real-world use. It confirmed that Pi's team wasn't just planning, they'd already built a sophisticated, secure ecosystem. The infrastructure was in place, and the technical foundation was solid. The document also revealed that Pi had successfully adapted Stellar's Protocol 23, which includes Soroban, to its own network. This adaptation was no small feat. It required deep technical expertise and months of dedicated work. Pulling this off was a major technical achievement, signaling that the hardest and most complex work was already behind them. The finish line was finally in sight. For pioneers, this leak transformed years of anticipation and speculation into genuine excitement. Suddenly the wait felt worth it, and the community buzzed with renewed hope. The code itself was undeniable proof that the open mainnet was close at hand. No more rumors or vague promises, just hard evidence that launch was imminent. The blueprint for Pi's future was now visible to all, showing a clear path forward and signaling that a new era for the network was about to begin. The secret was out, Soroban was ready, and the world was watching as Pi prepared to take its next big leap. Two lines in the leaked code, Ultimate Pi Mainnet Activation and Final Pi Mainnet Supremacy, sparked major buzz. In programming, these mean the final start button for launching the open mainnet. The activation module is the command that shifts Pi from enclosed to open, connecting it to the world. Supremacy ensures the new open mainnet becomes the one true Pi ledger, retiring the old system smoothly. These functions show the launch process is already built and ready. For pioneers, this means the launch is no longer a dream, it's a technical reality. The tools are in place, now it's about timing and community readiness. The core team has engineered the final sequence for liftoff. The countdown is on. Cryptocurrency prices can swing wildly, making them hard to use for everyday purchases. Pi's solution, a stablecoin management machine, revealed in the Soroban code. This system helps keep Pi's value steady by managing supply and demand automatically. It supports the community's global consensus value, aiming for predictable pricing. Think of it as a financial shock absorber, smoothing out big price changes. Stability makes Pi practical for real-world commerce and savings. By building this into Soroban, Pi aims to create truly usable digital money. Digital security relies on cryptography, but quantum computers could break today's codes. Pi's answer is a quantum security layer, quantum-resistant cryptography built into Soroban. It's like a lock with billions of changing combinations, protecting your Pi even from future supercomputers. This ensures long-term safety for every transaction and wallet. From day one, Pi's open mainnet will be shielded by next-gen security. That's peace of mind for users and developers alike. What if someone writes a malicious smart contract? Pi's answer: ethical AI oversight. This AI acts as a digital watchdog, scanning contracts for scams or vulnerabilities before and after launch. It's programmed with ethical rules to flag suspicious activity and protect users. If a contract looks dangerous, the AI can warn users or block it from the network. This doesn't control everything, but adds a crucial safety net. Most blockchains say, code is law. Pi adds intelligent oversight. This makes the ecosystem safer for everyone, especially beginners. It builds trust and encourages wider adoption. Pi's blend of freedom and security could set a new industry standard. All these features, activation, stability, security, are powered by Soroban. In September 2025, Pi upgraded to Protocol 23, laying the foundation for smart contracts. Testing moved to the testnet, where developers could experiment and refine the system. By October, advanced testing was underway, ensuring a robust launch. The Pi core team released a Rust SDK, inviting developers to build Soroban apps. A major hackathon offered big rewards for innovative projects. The infrastructure is complete, the ecosystem is growing, the network is in its final phase of testing and preparation. The stage is set, and the first wave of builders is already at work. The rocket is on the launch pad, ready for liftoff. December 14, 2025. Pi Network stands on the edge of history. Years of community building and development have led to this moment. Soroban's smart contracts are the engine for Pi's open, decentralized economy. The open Mainnet launch is imminent, with analysts predicting late 2025, or early 2026. Soroban unlocks a universe of new apps and real-world utility for Pi. Pi's architecture, quantum security, ethical AI and stablecoin management sets a new industry standard. Everyday people can join blockchain with confidence and safety. For pioneers, the final countdown has begun. The open mainnet fulfills the promise of a global, community-built network. The walled garden is opening, revealing a world of opportunity. The future of Pi is here, powered by Soroban.